YouTube, welcome back. So today we're gonna go over your control panel for your AC and your rear lock and all this stuff. Your front, defroster, your climate control. Okay. So first of all, let's say for example, if you turn on automatic, your AC is on. Okay. Then you got this separate temperature that you could allow you to adjust. Let me turn it down. What the heck? So it's allow you to control either left hand side or the right hand side temperature. Okay. And this one is for recycle air. If you don't want the outside air, if the outside air is too stinky. And this is your AC on and off switch right here. So as you can see right now, AC on or AC off. And this is your fan control right here. This is the lowest, and as you can see, it's keep going up. And these are the different mode, either for the air if you want to come down to your leg, and then to your front defroster. That means the front, which is your windshield front. Okay, you press one more time, it only goes to your leg, and this is your leg and to your face right here. Okay, if you hit one more time, and only to your face, and again we're back to front of the windshield and then the leg again. Okay. And if you want to sync both temperature at the same temperature, you press this button right here to sync it. And then when you adjust it, both at the left and right, or driver and passenger temperature is set at the same temperature. And you could put this on auto. So auto is set at the whatever temperature is 64. So it's gonna keep your car cool at 64. And this is your on and off switch right here. Or if you hit auto or whatever, then automatic comes on. And this is the rear on and off switch. So if you don't want the rear AC on, you can press this button to turn it off. So right now it says rear is nothing. That means the rear AC is off unless you press this on. Okay. And then you got rear setting, auto rear. Or you can rear lock, so you could lock it, and then the people sitting in the back cannot adjust anything on the back. Okay. And next thing I want to go over is when your front of the windshield goes pretty foggy, or too many people sit in the car, and then your windshield get fogged up. You want to go ahead and then press this button on the front, which is coming out from there. And that will clear up your fogginess right here on the inside, unless your window is very dirty, then you need to clean it up too. Okay. And then what else? Oh yeah, this one is very important right here. I'm not sure it's only Elite or EXL or EX they have this. This is for the rear defroster. Not only for the rear defroster, it also defrosts the right hand side mirror. Okay. So if your passenger's mirror, if it gets fogged up during like a cold weather, you can defrost it by hitting this button as well. I was telling my wife how come they don't do it for the driver's side, left and right. Because I guess they think the driver's side, you are so close to the mirror and then you could just wipe it out. But I would suggest them to put like a driver's side and passenger side mirror at the same time, so you don't have to get your hand dirty. Okay, so this one is the top of the line. So this one has heated seat and also cool air. You see there's a hole. So I mean, when I turn on the cool air, you can feel the cool air during the summertime. And that is for the driver's side and the passenger side as well. So if I turn on the heated seat, it's on the highest level. I'm not sure why it's showing orange when it's supposed to be red. And then when I hit it one more time, it's gonna go to medium and then low. And then if I press it one more time, it's gonna turn off. Excuse me. And then the bottom one, you see the fan. That means it's like a cool air. And it shows a blue LED. So I'm not sure you can hear the air coming out from there. And if I press it one more time, it goes to medium. And one more time, it goes to lowest. Alright? And that's goes the same thing for the passenger side. Okay? And this is the on and off for your rear to control the entertainment system on the back. And this is the eject button for your DVD. As you can see, we have the Harry Potter DVD right here. So once I press this power button, it allows the people that sit in the back to use this controller so they can navigate their different station or Bluetooth auxiliary, XM radio, AM, FM, all this function over here. Okay, and then this is the power button, and then you could turn on the lights right here by pressing this. Maybe I should go to the back. Hold on just a second. So as you can see on the back right now, we are watching the Harry Potter movie. So I can hit the FM radio right here. Kind of dark. Oh, so it lights up. So when you press the light, it lights up. So you got an XM radio, auxiliary, and then a menu button. As you can see right now, we're on the preset. And I could go up and down to select whatever station that I want to listen to. Alright. And then I'm gonna hit the XM radio. So now it's playing the XM radio, and then I can select whatever channel that I want to listen to. There's a preset 1 or preset 2, and then I'm gonna hit the enter button right here to go to the preset 2. Or I can hit the auxiliary button if I have audio in. And then I could go back to my Bluetooth again, BD. And then it plays my movie again. So there is your USB charging port right here, and then this is your 115 volt, 150 watts maximum. There is your volume control for your left and right headset. And this is your video input, left and right audio. And this is your HDMI. And then this is your heated seat right here. And your temperature control up and down. I mean high temperature or low to cool down. And auto on and off fan, and then a different mode, and then this is your fan control. Unfortunately, on the back here there is no to cool off your seat. This is only a heated seat. Another thing I want to point out is that on the HDMI, when you connect to like a, if you have like some kind of like a copy CD, it's not gonna play your DVD. So I'm not sure if they have a copyright block or something, because when you have a copy CD, that it's not gonna play anything at all. I tried it, and unless I'm doing something wrong, so I'm gonna try again, because I only tried one time and then I gave up. So, and this we got two of the wireless blue headset as well for this car. And there is your 3.5mm jack right there. There is your fan, your air to come out at. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like this video, and hopefully this is useful for you guys. And then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notification, so whenever I upload new and latest video, you get to check them out instantly. Alright, drop any other comments on below and see what else you guys want to know, or something that I didn't go over. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.